Whooping cough is epidemic in our community. There are also some nasty strains of the flu about. If you're pregnant, a whooping cough plus a flu vaccination is yours and baby's best protection against serious illness. Pregnant women can have free immunisations at their local maternity unit or GP. Protect yourself and your newborn baby. Get immunised today against whooping cough and the flu. Contact your local maternity unit or GP and keep you and your baby safe from highly infectious diseases this winter. Northland DHB, a healthier Northland.